Welcome to VideoPad tutorial on Sonic Tech the Self-Learners Club. This tutorial will show you how to use text-to-speech feature on VideoPad. Click on Audio on toolbar, then open Text-to-Speech. Choose Voice or Speech Engine, then click on Preview Voice Sample to hear the speech engine.
Hello, you are listening to the sample voice generated by this speech engine.
Type your text. Click on Synthesize Speech, then play the sound to check it.
Hello, this is Sonic Tech the Self-Learners Club.
You can change the speech engine and choose a male voice. Click on Preview Voice Sample to check it.
Hello, you are listening to the sample voice generated by the speech engine.
Enter your text, then click on Synthesize Speech. After you finish, play the sound to check it.
Hello, this is Sonic Tech the Self-Learners Club.